You see, the free will and the dual nature, positive nature factors and negative nature factors, proves that this earthly life is the ultimate examination. Let me explain. So you see, if the Creator Allah only gave us only positive nature factors, be kind, be polite, be nice, help others, then we are angels on earth and there is no test, there is no examination. Likewise, if the Creator Allah only gave us negative nature factors, only anger and hatred and greed, then we don't know right from wrong, and again there is no test, there is no examination. But the fact of the matter is that the Creator Allah has created all of us, the children of Adam, peace be upon Adam, all of us with free will and dual nature. Free will allows choices, therefore we have dual nature. We choose to be good or we choose to be bad. We choose to be grateful to the one who created all of us, and that is the Creator Allah. How do you pass this ultimate examination? You choose to become a Sunni Muslim today, and therefore you choose to walk the path to paradise. That's correct. Islam is the correct guidance from the Creator Allah and the truth. Islam has deterrence: no alcohol, no sex before marriage, no drugs, because Allah says so, and also those things are bad for you. Literally, scientifically. If you drink too much, you will have liver of the cirrhosis. If you take too much drugs, you will become crazy, schizophrenic. You will lose your neurons, become aggressive. If you do too much sex before marriage, you might end up having AIDS, acquired immune deficiency syndrome virus, and so forth. You see, it's simple. You choose to become a Sunni Muslim today, you experience death as a Sunni Muslim, then one day, with the Creator Allah's permission, you will enter paradise. If you live the earthly life as a non-Muslim, based on non-Muslim, non-Islamic ideologies such as atheism, Hinduism, Buddhism, Christianity, Judaism, non-Muslim, non-Islamic ideology, then you have chosen the path to hellfire, and you will end up in hellfire forever. Having said this, the Creator Allah knows best. Of course, the Creator Allah says the choice is yours, of course, because the Creator Allah has given you and me free will to choose to become a Sunni Muslim today. Don't delay. Become a Sunni Muslim today and save your soul. The real you is your soul, not your earthly body. The soul is real, because healthy people with healthy hearts and organs experience death all the time, regardless of age, good health, regardless. This is known as sudden death syndrome, or sudden healthy heart attack death syndrome. So this is important to understand. You see, what is important to understand is this: we don't die, we taste death. This life that we have is permanent, because the real you is your soul, not your earthly body. And the soul is subjected to reward, meaning paradise, or hellfire forever. Having said this, the Creator Allah knows best. Thank you for listening. Please share this important video with everyone around the world. Also, Darwinian theory of evolution is based on assumptions within a probabilistic framework, meaning Darwinian theory of evolution is nonsense, it's illogical. If you want more information regarding that, then listen to Stephen Meyer, who wrote the book Signature in the Cell, and also Subur Ahmed, who has a very extensive knowledge of that Darwinian theory of evolution is based on assumptions. Thank you.